Hey guys, what's up? This is going to be a Valentine's reading for whoever needs it, okay? So this is not uh, sign specific, okay? So anyone can watch it. I'm going to pick the energies of the collective, all right? So that's what we have for Valentine's Day. Spirit guides, angels, universe, tell me what is the collective? Who's coming towards my collective in love for Valentine's Day, please? Who's coming towards my collective in love for Valentine's Day, 14th February 2021? This is for the collective. What can my collectives expect in love? Who's coming towards the collective in love for this Valentine's, please? One last shuffle. Who's coming towards my collective in love for Valentine's Day, please? Mm-hmm. Right. Overall energy, death in reverse. Definitely someone from your past, okay, who's wanting to come back towards you. They are wanting to come back towards you, but with the death in reverse here, I feel you've ended things with this person, okay? But they're not letting you go. This is someone who's just not letting you go. They won't let you go. In the past year, with the Two of Cups in reverse here, there was some kind of disconnection, okay, between you and this person. You guys were not on the same page, okay? There was an imbalance here. One person was probably thinking more logically, thinking more from their head rather than their heart, okay? And that was one of the biggest issues here. But does look like there was a breakup in the past. In the current situation, we have the Ace of Pentacles crossed by the Six of Swords in reverse here. So in order for you or this person to get a brand new beginning here in love, or in order for something to have a stable beginning here, your one person out here is stuck, okay, repeating the same negative patterns over and over again. One person needs to communication needs to happen is what I'm getting here, first of all, with the Six of Swords in reverse here. Along with communication, I feel that there is one person who's going against the current, okay? One person needs to go with the flow, okay? Like literally whatever happens, but there has to be movement here. Until there's no movement here, either there's traveling, which is a big issue here, or communication, okay? Communication is halted between you guys, okay? Which is a big issue here to start this practical beginning between you guys. On your mind is the Five of Wands here. So yeah, you definitely feel very conflicted in your head about this person here, okay? You're in two minds, you're contemplating, you're, literally contemplating. Your head is saying something else, your heart is saying something else, all right? The Strength in reverse is what's going on in your subconscious mind. You're giving up on this connection, okay? You're tired of dealing with this person, okay? You're fed up. You're no longer trying to resist this ending. Or more than anything, I feel with the Strength in reverse, this is also someone, who could just be like, giving up, surrendering, okay? Letting go. In the near future, with the High Priestess in reverse here, I feel there is going to be some kind of information that's going to be revealed. Someone's finally going to break their silence. How you see yourself here, Nine of Cups in reverse with the Five of Cups in reverse here. See, that's what I'm saying. You're trying to move forward, okay? You're just not happy right now. What's coming in your environment with the Justice in reverse here is a lack of balance, okay? Someone's still not holding themselves accountable or still not doing the right thing, all right? What's the Ten of Cups in reverse here as the outcome? As the outcome, the Ten of Cups in reverse here, the Fool in reverse came out. I feel someone's still not ready to take a risk, okay, in wanting to rebuild this connection, okay? What's the Death in reverse here? Why is the Death in reverse? Why is the Death in reverse? Why is the Death in reverse? The Hermit, Eight of Pentacles in reverse, and Knight of Pentacles here. Okay, so I definitely see you as someone who's very, very withdrawn, okay? Or this is someone who's withdrawn, someone who's giving you the silent treatment, okay? There's a lot of quiet time that this person's going through, doing a lot of self-introspection. However, you on the other side are not working on this connection, okay? This is someone who's just not working towards a connection. You're not putting in your effort right now. With the Knight of Pentacles here, I feel that this could be someone who's moving towards you, but they're very, very slow, okay? They're moving towards you, but very slowly, okay? Could be dealing with someone non-committal, all right? Because I keep seeing the Hierophant in reverse at the bottom of the deck. This is someone very slow to commit, okay? But someone who doesn't believe in the land of tradition, okay? But yeah, someone you're dealing with who's ghosted you, who's doing a lot of thinking right now, but not putting in the effort, okay? I think they're more focused on their money, but at the same time, they won't let you go. What's the Two of Cups in reverse in the past? Clarify the Two of Cups in reverse in the past. Yeah. You pull back from a person here, okay, because there was someone here who was not making a decision, okay, about wanting to move things forward. So you cut this person off, okay? There's unfinished business between you guys, okay? Something was left unfinished. Someone was repeating the same patterns over and over again, okay, not learning their lessons, which was stressing the shit out of you. And you loved this person a lot, okay? I feel you were the more emotional one out here, okay? But someone was in their head not making a decision, keeping you, stuck. So yeah, that's when you chose to cut this person off, okay? And that's why there was a separation or a break between you guys. But definitely I see an ending out here, okay? But someone does not want to accept this ending. Why is the Ace of Pentacles in reverse? I see a lot of delays here because of communication. Someone wants to bring in justice, okay? This is someone who wants to make things right, okay? Justice is also the card of someone who's to rectify a situation, okay, or bring balance to the situation, okay? They want to make things fair, they want to make things right. But with the Five of Wands here, I feel there's too much. I think this person is very conflicted in their head, okay? Maybe either they're not sure if they should walk away or if they should come towards you and make things right. This person is in two minds right now, okay? With the Eight of Cups here, this person is in two minds, okay? They're not sure if they want to make things right with you and work things out. The intention is there, right? But it's just that they're very torn apart. Maybe with the Five of Wands here, this person's trying to walk away from drama, okay, for now. I think they want to walk away because they know that coming towards you with something stable, something committed can cause a lot of drama and chaos. Too many people involved in your relationship, okay, or in this connection, is what I'm getting. But yeah, for right now, this person, it is in their intentions, it's on their mind, but there's a delay here because it's too much chaos. I think you guys are not talking. There's too many arguments, etc. And they're trying to distance themselves, cut themselves emotionally, okay, from you. What's the Six of Swords in reverse? Why is this the challenge here? The challenge is to move forward, with smooth communication, move forward with clarity. But someone's still stuck on the past. Knight of Cups in reverse, Two of Pentacles, and the Ten of Wands here. Someone's holding back, okay? Someone's holding back from expressing themselves emotionally because they're constantly juggling, okay? I think this person has too much responsibilities, okay? Too much responsibilities. Either this person is very burdened and they have too much to carry on, okay? Too much on their plate right now. This is something that they can't ignore, okay? Which is why they're trying to balance out the situation between you and their responsibilities here. But for right now, they're choosing not to move towards you, okay? They know they have to, but they're choosing not to because they're too burdened, okay? They're too overwhelmed with what is going on in their life. They have shit coming at them from every corner. What's the Five of Wands? Why is this on your mind? What's the Five of Wands? Why is this on your mind? Maybe this person thinks coming towards you is also a lot of work, which is why they're trying to juggle the thought of wanting to come towards you, but at the same time, they're holding back, okay? They're still thinking about this. Okay, with the Five of Wands here on your mind, we have the Ten of Swords in reverse, the High Priestess in reverse, and the Devil here. There is a connection here that you're very, very obsessed with, okay? This is someone who you're very codependent on, but this is someone you feel very tied, bound, and restricted to, okay? That's what I'm saying. You're in two minds here with the Five of Wands here. The High Priestess in reverse here, you are just having a very hard time trusting your intuition. You wanna heal from this situation, okay? You wanna recover from this painful ending, okay? You're trying to heal. You're trying to move on from this pain here, but you're still stuck on this person, okay? And you're not trusting your intuition. Probably your intuition is asking you to move forward, okay? Get away from this person here. But again, Queen of Swords in reverse here. You're letting your emotions get the best of you. You are actually a very, very logical person, okay? When you're in real. But right now, you're not willing to rock the boat. You're not willing to cut this person out. You're very resentful. You're being very cold-hearted right now, okay? But at the same time, I feel that you're putting your heart before your head, whereas that is not something that you should be doing, okay? Which is why you're not being able to trust your intuition, because you're obsessed with this person, right? You keep thinking about them over and over and over again. You can't let this connection go. It's just something you just feel stuck to, something you just feel like you cannot break this, and this is probably a thought pattern. The devil can be a person, place, thing, emotion, belief system that you're stuck to, okay, and you need to release yourself from it, but you're not being able to, although there has been an ending here. Your intuition is telling you something, but you're not either being able to trust your intuition, or you're interpreting the information that you're getting from your psychic guidance, okay, which is why you're so conflicted on your mind. Why is the Strength in reverse here? Five of Cups, the Magician, and the Page of Pentacles in reverse. There is this energy of wanting to manifest a new beginning here, okay? Someone's trying to manifest a new opportunity with you, okay? This person is someone, who's, there has been a lot of disappointment, okay, in the past year. Someone's constantly crying over spilled milk, constantly investing their time and energy about moping about what happened in the past, about this breakup that you guys had, okay? But I feel with the Strength in reverse here, someone's giving up on a connection. Although they're manifesting this, they're giving up on a connection because there's a lack of investment here. Someone needs to come towards you, or you want to go towards someone, okay, with an apology, okay? But there is one person here who's constantly obsessing about this connection, obsessing about communication, but they're holding back, okay? They're manifesting this, but they're holding back communication here, okay? Because with the Strength in reverse here, I feel this is what someone's just not making that bold, courageous move to come towards you, because there's constant procrastination. Why? Because they're crying over spilt milk, okay? They're too invested in what didn't work out in this connection, rather than focusing on what can work out in this connection, okay? The Five of Cups is an energy of a lot of grieving of some kind of loss, okay? But this is emotionally and energetically being very, very affected by the breakup, all right? Someone's constantly, stuck in the past, over and over again, wishing things could have been handled differently, okay? Which is why they're not being able to get over whatever the way things ended with you guys. They're manifesting you, but again, they won't make that move, towards you. Which is why with the Strength in reverse here, I feel you're giving up on this connection. You could have tried to hold on, but now you no longer are holding on to the outcome, okay? You're just letting it go. Why is the High Priestess in reverse in the near future? In the near future, there's going to be some kind of communication. Something's going to be revealed. There's going to be some information that's going to come out, okay? What's the High Priestess in reverse? Five of Pentacles, the Hangman in reverse, and the Three of Swords in reverse. I think, okay, now one thing is the information. The other thing with the High Priestess in reverse is also what I understand is that this is you, again, the same thing, right? Not trusting your intuition. Whoever I'm reading for, I feel you are someone who's very, very intuitive. Okay, very intuitive. You know exactly what's going on, but you're not saying it. I think in the near future here, you're still going to continue being disconnected from your intuition, okay? Or there is just going to be something that's going to be revealed, okay? Something's going to be revealed. And I think with the Five of Pentacles, the Hangman in reverse, and the Three of Swords in reverse, I feel you're going to heal from this breakup, okay? I feel there's someone who's wanting to come towards you, okay? Someone who you left out in the cold, okay? There is someone here who's coming towards you, okay? This person's finally going to break their silence here. They want to heal this connection here, okay? They want forgiveness, okay? They want to move forward with you because they finally have the knowledge, okay? Because of which they put the entire connection on a pause or on a hold, because of which the things were stagnant here. Someone who you left out in the cold is probably releasing themselves, okay? They're coming out of that stagnation mode, ready to take action, and they want to heal this connection is what I'm getting. Yeah, that's what I'm getting here. However, things are going to be very slow. They're not going to be at the pace that you're expecting it to, okay? Definitely someone who's very codependent on you. Okay, I feel this person's coming towards you. You know, the other thing what I see is, I don't know why I'm intuitively picking up as you wanting to leave. You're leaving a situation where you feel left out, okay? You're getting yourself, I'm feeling you're getting yourself unstuck from a situation where you were holding on to this person, okay? You were waiting for this person for a very long time. You're learning to forgive the past, you're learning to accept the pain, and you're moving on. And with the High Priestess in reverse here, now it can go two ways. Either you're not trusting your intuition and you're making a choice which is coming more from your ego, or this is just you where there's some information that's been downloaded, okay, and you're probably just, there's something that's going to be revealed, okay, to you, because of which you feel that, you know, you need to move out and you don't want to be in that lack mindset anymore. What's the Nine of Cups in reverse? Take it how it resonates, okay? I don't know why I'm getting two scenarios. Why is the Nine of Cups in reverse here? This is how you see yourself. Why is the Nine of Cups in reverse? See, because Five of Cups in reverse, I see you as moving ahead, I see you as moving on. Why is the Nine of Cups in reverse? Six of Pentacles in reverse, Page of Swords, and the King of Cups. There is a lot of love you have, okay? You feel a lot of deep emotions for one person here, okay? And this is someone who you're dealing with who's constantly spying, stalking, okay? But they're not communicating with you, okay? They're not directly communicating with you. This person could be talking to you through fake accounts, but they're not coming towards you as them, okay? You have a lot of love for this person. You're being very mature, okay? You are being very mature, very understanding, okay? And I think there's some kind of acceptance that you have, okay? It's killing you, it's not making you happy at all, okay? But it is just a one-sided situation, okay? It's where you feel you're just getting the bare minimum and you're not getting what you deserve, okay? There's a lack of reciprocity here. Someone's not making a decision, okay, is what I'm getting. You need someone to make a decision, but this is someone you're dealing with who's staying to the safer zone. You know, they're trying to be in their comfort zone because they're not sure. This person has fear of change, or they don't know where this is going to lead to, okay? So they want to stay in those safer waters. You know, they don't want to go ahead and experiment because they're scared. What you don't see coming in your environment is the Justice in reverse. Why is the Justice in reverse here? Knight of Wands in reverse, King of Swords, and the Seven of Swords in reverse. There is someone here who's coming back to you, okay? This is someone who has a tendency of running back to you over and over again. Someone who's a player, who's probably has player-like tendencies, okay? Or someone, you know, at the same time who's just coming back towards you because they're super passionate about you, okay? But they'll just keep being in and out, in and out, in and out of your life, okay? But I think with the King of Swords here, you're going to cut this person out because you're looking at things very, very logically. You're trying to deal with facts. You're not letting your emotions overpower you this time. They're coming back in your environment, okay? But with the Justice in reverse here, you just feel that it's just not fair. The way that approach is not fair, that approach is just illogical, not practical. They're still not giving you something that you feel you deserve, okay? They're still not coming in with that right energy of making things right with you, okay? And I feel you're just going to, you are standing in your truth, okay? And you're very straightforward and you're going to be very determined to cut this person off because you want to stand by what you say, okay? And what you say is the truth, and you're just dealing with the entire situation very rationally. What's the Five of Cups in reverse? This is someone who, you know, was once a wish fulfillment for you, okay? But unfortunately, this person turned out to be more like a disaster, okay? Or a huge disappointment, okay? What's the Five of Cups in reverse in your hopes and fears? The Moon in reverse with the Ace of Wands in reverse, the Moon in reverse, and the Tower in reverse. See, sweetheart, you're trying to avoid a disaster here, okay? Because there has been some information that has been revealed here with the Moon in reverse. You see, something's coming out, okay? There's been some truth that has been revealed, okay? And with the Ace of Wands in reverse here, you're just lacking the motivation. You're just bored. You're just bored, okay? You're moving on because there was no momentum, from this person. Even if this person comes in, right? You're like, come on, I've seen that before. You need something concrete. This person constantly procrastinates. They're coming up as the knight, they're coming up as the page, and you just don't want to deal with this shit anymore, okay? And you're just doing your best to avoid this chaos, okay? Because this person comes in and they shake your entire world up. They completely rock the foundation, okay? And with the moon in reverse here, I feel that this is, you have clarity about a situation, okay? You are releasing any kind of stress, fear, anxiety that had to do with this person here. You're letting it go. You don't have the fear of the unknown. You're taking that risk is what I'm getting, okay? And you're letting this person go because you think this person is nothing but a disaster, okay? They come in nothing but and bring nothing but chaos in your life. Remember the Ace of Wands in reverse here. You feel this is another false start here, okay? And I'm getting, more than anything, you're just bored because the situation is going nowhere, okay? And you're just, what, you're rushing out. You're trying to run away from this situation and run away from this person as much as you can. Why the 10 of Cups in reverse? Why the 10 of Cups in reverse? Why is the 10 of Cups in reverse? Give me one more card for the 10 of Cups in reverse. Yeah, of course. There is a potential here of a relationship, okay? There is a potential of someone wanting to come towards you. There is a connection here, a strong soulmate connection. This is the same person you're connecting with again, okay? However, you're not ready to compromise is what I'm getting. This time, you're not ready to compromise. You're just not ready to work with this person, okay? You see this as someone you just keep hitting a wall with, okay? You just feel where you're not being able to compromise. You guys are just not being able to collaborate together, okay? And this is all because with the Fool in reverse here, you don't want to take a risk with this person. So there is a potential here with the 10 of Cups here, okay, of having a happy relationship with this person, okay? Getting exactly what you wanted. 2 of Cups, this person's coming in. You're the person who does not want to take a risk, okay? Because you refuse to cooperate with this person. You just don't want to rebuild, redo this relationship with them. You don't want to develop anything with them anymore, okay? I'm just getting you're done. You're done. This person probably comes in with an opportunity, probably of counseling or rebuilding this marriage, friendship, partnership, whatever. But you're done, babe. Done and dusted. Over. Finito. You're done. See, because this person out here, you gave up, right? Because you were manifesting over and over again, okay? But this manifestation, somehow with the 5 of Cups here, had that negativity attached to it, okay? This is a lot of low vibration energy here, which is why your manifestations probably didn't come into fruition, okay? Yeah. Again, in the near future, this person does not come towards you till for a very long time is what I'm getting, okay? And you finally are like, you know what? You're in your ego, you're pissed off is what I'm getting here, and you're just like, you know what, like screw it. This person, waiting for this person is a waste of time. It's a waste of sacrifice here, okay? And you're just moving on. I don't know why with the 5 of Pentacles here. You're just moving on because you just feel this is just not going anywhere. You're just like licking your wounds and trying to make yourself feel better. Okay, you're wanting to come out of that mindset, of that lack mindset, like I'm not okay without this person here. You're just moving on. You're moving on. You're letting this relationship be where it is, whether over, whether unfinished, whatever it is. You're just moving on here. I don't know. That's what I'm getting for whoever needs this. Okay, I don't know how much this is going to resonate. Very surprising reading, but okay, this time I see you, collective, as not wanting this, although the relationship is very much there. But you don't want to take a risk with this person anymore, okay? You just don't want to work with him. I'm getting that strong energy of like, no, I'm done. I don't want you anymore. Yes, I love you. Yes, I want to be with you, but there is this thing where it's stopping you from moving forward for this person. Why? Because you've gone through hell and back with this person. You have trust issues and you don't want to be a fool again. Okay? That's what I'm getting. Hope this reading resonates with you. If it does, do leave your comments below. Like, share, subscribe, and I will see you next time. Bye-bye.